a hair review. I got this hair from Sam's Beauty online, like the website. And it's color 1. They're half up, half down, sensational. The hair and like the curliest texture, I don't really remember what it's called. But basically to achieve this look, I brushed it out and cut it. I can maybe figure out how to like insert a clip of what it looked like before. But this is basically how thick the hair is. Like, it's pretty thick. It's kind of like see-through when you're like kind of wearing it out like this. Like, as you can see, you can kind of like see through it a little bit. And I actually have my hair out in the front. So I have braids in the front because this is like the half wig part of it, and it came with a ponytail that you're supposed to like gather your hair and like put the ponytail on top, and like, yeah, I wasn't doing all that. Yeah, period. I just didn't feel like putting on the ponytail and like undoing these braids. Like, you know, we're trying to preserve our edges. And today I started putting Vapor Rub on my edge. On my edges.
Are you supposed to do that?
I don't know, but I saw it. I think I saw it on TikTok.
Oh,
so.
wow. LeeLee, stop doing things you see on TikTok just because you saw it on TikTok.
But yeah, I'll let you guys know.
Follow up research.
You're like crashing my video right now.
You can edit it out. It's fine.
Okay, but how am I supposed to edit everything out?
Did you not know this is what you signed up for?
Anyway, so yeah, I'll probably post updates on how my edges are looking. They're really not bad. Maybe I can give you guys a close up. They're not bad. Like, they're there. They could be better though, you know? They could be better. That's what we want. We don't want to wait till they're gone, you know, in order to take care of them. We want to take care of them now. We want to see them flourish now. Okay, so this is the hair. It's like, it looks way different. It looks way different than how I received it. So I'm going to try my best to insert a clip. If not, it's easy to find on the website for Sam's Beauty. I might be able to find a link and put it in the description box. So check that below for a link to this hair. This is not sponsored or anything. Like, your girl is not getting paid. I'm just trying to hook you up with this hair that I kind of like, you know? Like, this is my first ever, like, actual, like, wig. Like, this is a half wig, so it's not a full wig, but it comes with 2 clips at the top and a larger clip on the bottom. Yes, of course, I didn't finish taking the tags and stuff out. Whatever. So, basically, to prep my hair for this style, I put the front into 2 braids. I mean, you can do other ways. This was just my, like, what I wanted to do. No one told me to do this. This wasn't on the instructions. It wasn't in the picture. Like, my creative self just came up with this, right? So, put the rest in a bun in the back with a scrunchie. I tried to make it small. I think next time I'll like braid it and then wrap the braid and then do like that so it'll be smaller, just so this goes on more comfortably. I have like a larger head, I feel like, so if you're a big-headed girl, I think this will go fine for you. So I literally just stick the clips on right behind the braids, and I take the back, pull it down over the bun, or like if you have like more hair than I do, it'll be good. Plus there's a little drawstring in there too, so if you have like a small head, this can work for you too. Baby is versatile. Baby is versatile. Alright, so yeah, just to make it look more natural, I combed it out because it was like, it wasn't too shiny and it's soft. It came very soft and it wasn't frizzy, but my hair is naturally really frizzy, so I just decided that's what it should look like. It looks so much better on me personally, frizzy and shorter, because it came much longer than this. Right now it's like that long on me. You'll see it more in the clips later of me vlogging, but I just wanted to do a quick review on this hair. I'll do another review on like the ponytail part, because I don't know, I don't really see myself wearing both parts, because this is just a lot for like my body. Like, I don't know, it's just a lot of hair, and well, it's cute though. Nobody's gonna tell me anything, so if you try to tell me this isn't my real hair, baby. But yeah, you see how it's kind of see-through? Like, if I'm standing in front of the window, like, it's kind of like, but like, because of the texture, it's like thick, you know? So it looks good. It's just like, if you're in like really direct light, like you can see through the curls and stuff, which makes it look kind of fake to me in my opinion, but I don't know, it's up to you. So I want to show the back a little better. Over the shoulder. But yeah, this is like, it's cute.
I mean, or you can wear your hair like mine. I look like Sonic. Or what's the other one?
This is gonna be a lot of material to store through. Editing is gonna be a nightmare. But yeah, you see how like this is in the window, this is like see-through, but like this isn't, like the lighting isn't like amazing, like, you know. It looks very natural. It looks very good. Step out of it. But yeah, I don't regret buying this. This unit was 30, no, it was 20. I got it for 27, I think. It was on discount. So I think it usually goes for like 34 or something like that. But yeah, I think it usually goes for 34. But it was on sale when I got it. So this was I think this was a fair price for this hair. Just south of $30. It's cute. Next, I want to figure out how to like get it to be a little flatter, like this. I think this is cute. This is cute on me. Yeah. I feel like I should be the next R&B singer. So if you want to hear me sing, like this video, subscribe. First video, yay!